Hi, today I'm with me Nokia C31 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application because we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. And now here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. And let's just tap to install this application. So after that we should wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on our device. So now tap to open the app, click yes I agree, be close, tap to OK. And now we can see here information about our device battery temperature, and this is 31.1 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, level of the battery and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.